If you're spending every dollar before the next paycheck arrives, you're not alone, and there's nothing wrong with you. Living paycheck to paycheck is one of the most common financial situations people face, and the shame around it is often what keeps people stuck. So let's cut through that and walk through a real budget reset plan. Personal finance for beginners built for saving money on a tight budget. The very first move isn't a budget, it's a pause. Spend 1 week simply tracking where every dollar goes, because you can't fix what you can't see. Next, triage your expenses into 3 buckets: needs, wants, and debt payments. Needs, housing, food, utilities, come first every time. Then, build what financial educator Dave Ramsey calls a starter emergency fund. Just $500 to $1,000 set aside to break the cycle of every unexpected expense becoming a crisis. Even saving $10 to $20 per paycheck creates momentum, and behavioral finance research shows that small wins reshape how we think about money. Once you have that buffer, apply the 50-30-20 rule: 50% to needs, 30 to wants, and 20 to savings and debt. For debt, the snowball method, paying off your smallest balance first, builds the psychological confidence to keep going. As Warren Buffett put it, the most important investment you can make is in yourself, and that starts with financial stability. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. If this breakdown was useful, hit subscribe for more practical personal finance guidance.